This video is going to describe how to use a calculated field in Access. A calculated field is a new field that you add to a query using the expression builder. A calculated field allows us to return information that is not stored directly in a field in one of our tables. They are actually based on data in our tables. For example, in our position table, we store information on the hourly wage and how many hours a week each position is for. But a potential job applicant wants to know, what is my weekly wage for each job? So as we said, we have the hourly wage and I have the number of hours a week. So we need to create a calculated field for the weekly wage that will multiply the hourly wage times the hours. So just like in Excel, we can have Access perform this calculation for us, and we're going to use the expression builder to do it. Now we're going to go into Access and try it out. What we want to do is, if we look at the position table, I have the hours a week for each job, and I have the hourly wage. I want to add a new field in a query that will multiply these two together. I'm going to close the table and go to Create and Query Design. The information is in the position table. I can even add in the employer table so we can see what the name is going to be. And what I want to see is the position title, the employer's name, the wage, the hours of the week. So if I run it right now, I get two columns, one with the wage, one with hours of the week. I want to add an extra column over here that will multiply these two together. So going back into Design View, I click in the next available column. Now I need to use the expression builder, which is up under Query Setup, and it looks to me like a magic wand. So I click Expression Builder. Now I need to choose the fields. So I open up Tables, and I open up Position. Now I see all the fields in the position table here. I want to take wage and click Paste, multiplications for the asterisk, hours of the week, and paste it. Then I say, OK. I just built an expression. If I run it right now, I see that I have a new column with the multiplication, or the product of these two fields. I want to change this expression 1 to say weekly wage. So back in Design View, I select where it says EXTR1 and say weekly wage. When I run it, now I have my additional column of data. I didn't need to store this information in a field. I can have Access to perform the calculation. And again, if I go back and I click on Expression Builder here, you can see what I did. Access adds in the name of the table, but I see it's the wage field times the hours of the week. And I get that added column.